Hey guys, how are you? Hope everybody's staying safe amidst all the madness that's going on. So today I'm going to talk about aloe vera. So summer is full on, and usually when it gets really hot, I usually have white patches. Well, first of all, my skin gets really dry, so I have to moisturize more than I normally have to. And then I usually have white patches that will come down my face if I don't start using my aloe vera as soon as possible. Now, aloe vera is very healthy and very useful. In most of these cosmetic products, you'll see people adding aloe vera to it. And if you've been watching my videos, remember, if something says aloe vera skin cream, if aloe vera is down the bottom of the list, it has the least, that cosmetic product has the least concentration of aloe vera. So if you're buying something, you want to see the key ingredient closer up in the list, and that will tell you that it has a higher concentration of that key ingredient. So aloe vera is powerful in soothing and preventing skin burn. I'm a testimony to that. I can testify to that 100%. Now, instead of going to the pharmacy or anywhere you buy your aloe vera skincare products, you can grow your aloe vera, cut your aloe vera. You want to get that yellow part off it because research has shown that the yellow portion on it, that's usually bitter, it can cause cancer. So they actually did a research and it shows that it can cause cancer. So you want to put your aloe vera, the part that you cut, just put it down in water and allow that yellow part to run off. What I usually do is I'll pick one of those fat portions of the aloe vera and I'll take the green skin off. Then I'll put my aloe vera in water and I'll wash it again under running water to get most of that yellow slimy part off, because that's the part that can cause cancer according to research. Then I usually cut it up and put it in a glass jar. You can cut it into pieces after you take the skin off and you can blend it. But I am so busy, so I find that just cutting it up and put it in the glass jar and then put it in the refrigerator works. And then each time I try to do it in the morning and then at night, and I sleep with it on my face. So I'll take out a small piece and I'll just rub it on my face, just like that. Just rub it on my face and on my neck and my chest. And that's after I wash my face, and I'll leave it. My face does not get dry. So during the summer, I don't have to use my face cream. The aloe vera is just enough, and I'll go to sleep with that. And it doesn't dry and leave any flakes or anything. Because can you tell I have aloe vera on my face right now, and there's no flakes, nothing at all. So I have aloe vera on my face right now, and that's what I do. So this is my day cream and night cream during the summer, and that's all it is. Now, I've not done it, but some people add, like, they'll have the vitamin E gel, they'll squeeze it in the aloe vera itself to extend the shelf life. But I use my aloe vera really quickly, so I don't need to extend the shelf life of my aloe vera. So you want to keep it in the refrigerator. So apart from preventing those dry patches and soothing sunburn, aloe vera is also good at reducing infection and acne. So it's powerful in preventing psoriasis, eczema, and, like I said, acne. It also fights skin aging. Did you know that aloe vera boosts collagen production? Yes, and it gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles. So it is proven to do just that. Why do you think all these skincare products have aloe vera in it? There must be something good about aloe vera. It also helps to moisturize the skin, and no skin cream, just aloe vera. So this is proving in itself. And it also boosts wound healing. So aloe vera little, but it tallow up. Now, some people will eat aloe vera. Usually, because I don't add anything to my aloe vera, I just use it as is. Sometimes, before or after I do my skincare routine, I'll take a chunk out of the jar and I'll swallow it because I know where it's coming from and there's no additive. But there's some side effects to the oral use of aloe vera, so it can cause stomach cramping depending on the quantity that you consume. It can cause diarrhea. Aloe vera is a natural laxative, so don't have too much because you can have diarrhea. Now, some people say that when you use an aloe vera supplement, it can cause liver damage with long-term use. So this is all I have on aloe vera. Stay safe, stay hydrated, eat your watermelon, which has 90% of water, 90 to 92%. Have your water. Watch my video on how much water you need to consume. Stay safe, one love, and God bless.